Hi guys, this is Michelle at My Everyday Wife Life, and I have another Sunday home reset and refresh for you. I hope I motivate you to get up and clean. Okay guys, so I intended to do a whole house clean on Friday, and you'll see here in a minute that didn't actually happen. All I got done was the master bedroom on this day, but I clean on Saturday and I'm also clean on Sunday.
Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever, and I feel so free. Oh my sweet baby.
I finally got some new sheets from Target. I've been looking for a while, but I wanted some sage green sheets, but they didn't have them. I really love the Target performance sheets. They have extra reinforced corners, and they didn't have them. I looked for a while, so I went in and got these, which I really do like, but I don't like how my comforter looks with it. So I turned it over, and it is white creamish color on the other side, and I'm still not liking it, so I might end up getting a new comforter. I love the sheets. They are like super comfortable. They're better than the last set of sheets I got from Target, the performance sheet, but I'll be showing those in a haul, and I'll be talking to you about them when that happens. And you can see here we got a new addition to our bedroom decor. Isn't it just lovely? We're officially old people with old cats that need steps to get up on the bed. Yeah, fun stuff.
For the rest of our time, and I know it so well.
So usually when I do a Sunday home refresh, I am catching up on things that did get done during the week. Well, on this particular week, I didn't do anything. Well, I did some daily chores, but I didn't do any zone cleaning. So I intended to do a whole house clean on Friday. And like I said a little bit ago, that didn't happen. I did clean out this basket that had been bagged up like with a garbage bag you had seen in several videos. So that got done finally. Okay, it is Saturday now, and it's actually Saturday evening. I don't know. The day got away from me and I didn't get much done. So I need to make some dinner here, so I'm going to clean up the kitchen real quick so I can get that done, and then move on to the family room and keep going.
Looking back, I can see it's all clear. I'm still a kid trying to act like they all taught me.
Okay, while I'm cleaning, hubby went on a bike ride, and actually what happened was when he came back, he was super tired, kind of had a headache, and I didn't end up having to make dinner. He went to bed without dinner, and actually so did I. So, you know what? It's alright to skip a meal every once in a while.
'Cause nothing makes sense anymore.
So I'm still on the hunt for some more natural dish soap. You guys know I like to use 7th generation, but I recently found out that it has sodium lauryl sulfate in it, and it could be the problem that is causing skin problems, itchiness problems with hubby and I for the last, since COVID started. I don't know. It's kind of weird. So I have started using Dawn, which I'm sure that probably has sodium lauryl sulfate in there too, but I haven't used Dawn dish soap in a really long time, and oh my god, that stuff is magical. It magically washes the dishes. It just, when I soak them in the Dawn soap, when I take them out of the water, I don't even have to scrub them. I had forgotten how wonderful that works. So even though it's not as natural as I would like it, I might continue to use it.
Lost in translation, where nothing makes sense anymore.
I just want to add that I have not stopped using 7th generation products altogether. I still really like them. They rate really good, but the laundry soap and the dish soap has the sodium lauryl sulfate. The other products that I use don't, as far as I know, that I looked up. Sodium lauryl sulfate is a thickening agent, and again, it can cause skin rashes and whatnot. So I'm just not going to use them for now to see if that is the problem.
'Cause nothing makes sense, no, nothing makes sense anymore. Teach me how to fall into the end.
Okay, the kitchen is all clean. I got the sink all reset here for the week, and I did find this dish soap, but it was $3.99 for this tiny little thing, and it doesn't have any sodium lauryl sulfate, but it doesn't work very well, so I won't be using that. Yeah, I guess I'll be using the Dawn. And I'm gonna get my mop water ready, and I'm gonna put some lemon oil, essential oil, and orange essential oil, and cinnamon bark essential oil. Since I don't use candles anymore, sometimes I use wax melts. I really like the smell of the essential oils in my mop water because it makes the house smell really good and clean. So what I've been using in my mop water lately is water, vinegar, and just a little bit of Dawn dish detergent, and then the essential oils. And I really have been liking that. It's been working really good, and I like how natural it is. So there's that.
Take a chance for some romance. Don't cover your eyes. Willow trees know you better than anyone else. It's time you let your guard down for someone like me. I'd say I'm set.
My iron skillet is looking pretty peaked. I actually need to reseason this. I just haven't taken the time to do it. It is on my procrastination list. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to film as a Vlogust video another Procrastination Wednesday. I kind of really need to do that. Alright, it is early Sunday morning. It is around 8 o'clock and Chewy is doing his thing. He's finally working again. I don't know. The thing is, I don't know, temperamental. Some days it works and some days it don't. I might need to clean it out a little bit. Maybe that was the problem. But anyway, he's working today. So it was really nice to wake up to a clean kitchen this morning. That is not typically a thing, but it was really nice because I'm going to make some frittata today. So I'm putting my vitamins over here to remind me that I need to refill my pill sorters. So that is something I need to do today.
Got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you
My water going so I can stay hydrated, and oh my gosh, look at this mess. Yeah, that paper mess I never got to today in this video anyway. I might do it later today, but I will save that for another video. So on to the family room, and I'm going to straighten this up and wash all the blankets, yada yada yada.
new day to leave behind your troubles. There's a new day and it will set you free.
So do I have enough pillows or what? The new couch that we got from MyEveryDay's came with like a ton of pillows. Plus I have throw pillows. And then I bought this cushion. I thought the cats would like it, but they don't. So I just have all the pillows stacked here. I decided to take the yellow check pillows off the couch for now, and I will put them back in the fall.
Holding on through the night, 'cause I promise.
And I've been looking on Amazon for some new curtains for in here because I think I've decided I'm tired of these. I kind of want something more neutral for there. I'm actually thinking about taking my curtain shears from my bedroom and at least just trying them out in the living room. I need to also hang up that picture back. And I'm also thinking about, actually I bought something off Amazon for this, to back the wall unit with some contact paper. I used some, you can see here, some scrapbooking paper, but it was not big enough, but I kind of like the look of that. So I bought some contact paper off of Amazon, and I will be trying to do a family room refresh soon.
There'll be new ways. This is not the end. There's a new day.
And I'm also going to take this runner off and save that for the fall. I got it to match the pillows, but I don't know. I felt that was too much. I thought it was summery, but it looks more like fall. So I'm going to put it away and put it back out in October. And I still need to do that garbage bag there that has, it's a basket that has stuff in it. Yeah, got to take care of that. So I put this other runner back on there that I thought was more summery. And now I'm going to clean up the breakfast nook. So when I went over the littles the other day, I was going to help my niece organize her kitchen. We did do a little bit. We went through the cabinets and she decided she didn't want these things. The teapots are actually my mom's, and it was like a keepsake thing for her. And then the other things were Pioneer Woman, and I think she probably didn't want them because she's afraid if she set it out that the kids would break it. And I said, you know what? I do really like them. I have a spot for them that I have in mind, and I will keep them for you. And then later down the road, if you change your mind and you want them back, you can have them back. So I'm going to find a spot for them in another video.
There's a new day, and it will set you free. There's a new day to get you through your struggles. I will always think of you and me.
And I'm still looking for a different solution for these windows, guys. And then I realized that after looking at this, that two of those shears that I put up there, I put up wrong. That needs to, I don't know. I need to adjust that.
'Cause I promise you this.
Okay, on to cleaning the laundry room. And I have a heap of laundry to do, which I will get done today or tomorrow, but I'm going to show you that in another video. In the meantime, I'm going to clean up this catch-all space and, yeah, do a general cleanup of the laundry room.
There's a new day, it is waiting for us. There's a new day, waiting round the bend. There's a new day, and it will restore us. There'll be new ways. This is not the end.
I'm just writing down a few things I remembered that we needed. I always think of things we need when I'm cleaning, and then I forget to write them down. So just going to write them down so I can get them the next time I go to the grocery store. And I took a little break from cleaning and made the frittata. You will see me making this frittata in another video. All right, and I made the bed again because it's a different day. I need to put the stairs back for the cats. But I didn't show you me making the bed because I didn't think you wanted to see me make it again. I do need to clean the bathroom, so I'm going to do that real quick and gather up all the laundry and all the towels. And then I'm going to clean the shower while taking a shower, and then I'm going to start the laundry.
Darling, you've got to keep holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this: if you try to get some sleep, if you give up the fight, if only just for a bit, there's a new day to leave behind your troubles. There's a new day, and it will set you free. There's a new day to get you through your struggles. I will always think of you and me.
Okay, time to put my cleaning cart away, and I found a new spot for my cleaning cart. I'm sure I'll be taking this out again soon, as always.
Holding on through the night, 'cause I promise you this: if you try to get some
Okay, it looks like the cleaning cart needs cleaned up a little bit too, but that's for another time. For now, I'm going to take a shower and clean the shower while I'm taking a shower. And that's it for this video, guys. And stay tuned for a laundry motivation video. And until next time, enjoy your day.